Hey guys, it's me, Kamir, and I'm so happy you're back again. And welcome back to the Carsons family. You'll never know what you hear or see here. So today I'm going to be fixing my slimes, and I'm keeping activated right next to me just in case I fix them a little too much. So the first one is kind of really bad. Look, I've just added lotion, but it's still really bad. And if your slime turns like this, and you add lotion, it's like not going back together. It's like very like something. You just press it together, and just keep doing that. Stretch it, press it together. Roll up my sleeve. One sec. Just open this. Okay, got it. More lotion. Let me put you at the adding to this angle. Oh, so my That's a lot. I actually might need the activator again, just a little bit though. Or it'll be just perfect, because this slime was really bad. Or I just ruined my worst slime. And I really don't care, it was already ruined. It's not even stretching at all. What is this? Oh god. I have activator over here, so it's like right there. So if it gets like stuck on something, I'll just overactivate it, and it will go right back to how it was, not sticky, not stretchy. Then I'll just fix it just a little less. I don't know what this is. I think this is how it's supposed to be. Maybe it's just the activator that's not good. Maybe it's the glue that's not good. But I think maybe this one's just because I followed the instruction. Maybe I added too much water. Or maybe I added too less water. Because I did add 1 ounce of water like it said in the instructions. No, I did add 5 ml. Exactly like it said. So I would not sell this one. If I was to sell, I would sell it for like $2. So okay, this is how this one turned out. you've seen before. Now, this is after me trying to fix this. It's like really impossible to fix. Ah! I'm gonna go get some maybe water. There we go. That's water right here. Dang it. I spilled water. Dang it. Dang it. Comment down below if I get 20 likes, I'll sing for you guys. And maybe I could do a dancing video. Comment down below your favorite type of slime. My favorite's fluffy, cloud, butter, clicky, glossy, thick. This I don't know what type. This is just original, I think, because I only add a little bit of water and that's how you're supposed to make original, so yeah. So I don't think anything of this is helping. I don't think this is fixable. Comment down below if you want me to make a part 2 with more slimes. So, because I'm probably going to get some slime for Christmas. And this is the second day of Christmas. The 4 days until Christmas. Yesterday was a Christmas video. I know it didn't look like one. So, I know I don't probably have enough people follow me. By next year, my goals are to have at least like 5 followers about. That's how, it's just really hard to get people knowing about your channel. So, yeah. Okay, I think I fixed it a little bit. It doesn't tear right away. Okay. Number 1 was fixed, or tried to be fixed. It's really soft right now. I think this is number 2 or 3, I don't remember. And this is pretty sure number 2. Number 3 is my favorite. I think this one's my favorite because these two are very, very similar. You guys they are different, but they're just like very, very similar. So now I'll be adding a little bit of lotion. You always could fix slime, like always. This, yeah, I think this is number 2 or 3, yeah. This has to be number 2 or 3, because number 1 was my first one. I actually followed the instructions, so that's why it's really bad. I just winged it. Which one's bigger? I think the bigger one was number 3, was my last one I made, because I had, like, there's no more containers, so I was like, the blue one, my least favorite one, wouldn't get a container. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So I ended up putting it in the measuring cup, and it was perfect for it, because it fit. Now I'm going to put some water in this. And I think this is number 2. Oh. These used to be scented, but now they're scented like... This one's actually really good now. Like, really, really good. Like, really, really good. I told you the activator story, so I don't have to add activator yet for this one.
So that's good. I'll put you in there for a second. This will make it not jiggly.
People think if you add water, it'll make it jiggly.
No, only if you add a lot of water in the making, like a lot. Like this won't make it jiggly adding water right now.
Because it's already made. Let me close the door so more lighting will come in. Bam. It's really good. Still hasn't broke. And I made these with slime kits. You know how slime kits aren't usually really good, so. And just give more water. See the angle that you guys can see. No! I spilled water. I spilled water all over my pink things. Dang it. So, no more water for this video. Nope. Dang it. I want to actually underactivate one of these. All I need is glue. I already have paint. Scented paint, actually. I already have activator. I just need glue. I knew glue is one of the things you have, but you don't have activator. But you usually should have You usually have activator, but glues. We usually have activator. We have 2 things of eye contact solution and this new activator I just got. So that's kind of a lot for us. Okay, let's start cooking it. Let's see what right here. It's actually getting harder. Maybe a little bit more. This would help. I'm gonna try to actually underactivate this. Make it really sticky. See if I activate it again, it'll like help. I don't know why I think that, but it's just, you hear those noises, usually something's not good going on. See, it turned into that, so I need to go. I got it. Most of these I did follow the instructions. I don't think number 3 I did. I like followed half of the instructions. This one I doubled the recipe. It's not even that big of a slime batch, but if I doubled the recipe, I would not double the activator for like slime kits because the activator is either too weak or too strong. Okay, I think it's underactivated now. It's like really stringy. Okay. It's actually really good though. I don't like when it's sticky but no stretching. Can't stretch really. So I don't like. Like, you want your slime stretchy, but it's sticky. So you don't want to activate it. Because that would make it less stretchy, but in this case, it's overactivated and sticky and not stretchy. Let me just keep adding more because I got better. See? Ooh, I did that. Okay, it's time for ASMRs. Let me put you guys in the angle.
So, quick announcement. Today is my makeup day for all those Christmas days. I might vlog, but I'm probably not going to. And I'm not going to vlog tomorrow because it was probably not. Because tomorrow we have to clean a lot. Because Christmas Eve, and we're probably not going to be home on Christmas Eve. We might, but we might not. Can we activate this a little bit? I get it off one hand, let me activate this a little bit. You see why I had the activator out, it's a little too sticky. It's all over. Oh god. It actually might be my number one now if I don't activate it too much. Oh, na. Oh, na. Oh, na. Oh, na. Oh, na. I might have to make a new activator. I'm kidding. I'll just probably use some contact solution. So, because this is like not too. Dang, I think it's like overactivated again. I only added a few drops. See? It's like really overactivate. Oh no, yep, it's overactivated again. Like one drop will make your whole slime. Like in the making. Let me tell you something, don't follow the instructions for slime kits usually. Unless you're like, it tells you exceptional. Like it says, if you don't follow the instructions, slime won't come out. Like it won't turn out to be slime. I just don't want this too sticky. Okay, let's go into the next slime. This slime grew a little bit, so I don't know if it'll fit in this container. Because it grew. This is 5-ounce container. Yeah, it grew like a lot. A lot. It grew. It grew a lot. It grew a lot. I might give my sister some since it grew that much. I might just take her Poopsie Slime Surprise because her slime melted. Her little keychain, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go grab that. Or I might just take her Dunkin' Deuces cup if she still has it. She did not have the cup, but she still had the keychain. So I'm gonna use some of that. Cute little keychain. They think I Poopsie Slime, but just really. I think this, whatever doesn't go into this container, will go into just, I don't want to make, I'm activate this just a little bit. Just a little, like 1 drop, like 1, 2 drops, because I want it too sticky so it stays in the container. And it doesn't come out really fast unless you squeeze it. I use this much activator, like it's not a lot. Like, let me show you how much there's left. Look at all the activator left. It's so powerful. Like, I mean powerful. You might want to mix it all up in before you add more. You want to stretch it. You would want to poke it. Is it sticky? Ask yourself, is it sticky? Say just a little bit. That means just to your likings, so you don't feel like it'll stick. Put it like maybe in there just a little bit. Oh, yep, that's gonna stick. So you wanna take it, 1 more drop. Only for your sisters, because you know your sister like, oh my god, it's so sticky. Whatever doesn't fit, and this is gonna be filled to the tippy top. So let me see. Okay, this still doesn't fit. So I'm gonna give my sister a little bit more. So when I give my sister a little bit more, yeah, let's see. I think that's good for me. Yep. So go check out my part 2. So I'm gonna be recording a few videos there. So peace out. Peace out.